Chapter 3 Coordinate Geometry. Today we have to deal about the problems based on coordinate geometry only. First question, write the coordinates of each of the points P, Q, R, S, T, A, B, C, D and O from the figure. Now we have to find out the coordinates of the respective points. First P only. So on P I am keeping, see that on x-axis where it touches 1. So I have to write the coordinate as 1, comma. Y-axis where it is touching, again 1 only, right? So 1, comma 1. Now I have to find out on the same quadrant A coordinate also. See here the only the movement we have done on the x-axis. See that is y-axis, there is no movement. So what is the coordinate of A? 5, comma 0. Now B. See B is here. For reaching B I have not done any movement on the along the x-axis. So first it is 0 only. Now y-axis how many? 5. So 0, comma 5, right? Now first quadrant points completed. Now come to Q. Q means I have to keep the scale like this, and where it touches -2. So along the x-axis, see -2 we have moved. So -2, and along the y-axis what is the distance? 1 only. So Q coordinate is -2, comma 1. Now C. C means for reaching C along the x-axis I have taken -7. And y-axis no movement, so -7, comma 0. Now R. X-axis what is the moment we have taken? -5, right? Y-axis what is the height we have taken? Perpendicular distance is -2. Now D. This is also y-axis only. So along the x-axis there is no movement. Now for getting D, I have no movement done on the x-axis, only y-axis movement. So x coordinate is 0 and negative direction we have moved. So 0, comma -3. Now the last point, that is S. So S means for reaching S x-axis, see x-axis, what is the distance? 5. Along the y-axis what is the distance? -5. So 5, comma -5. Don't try with the perpendicular lines, just move the hand like this and learn. So x-axis one movement, y-axis also one movement, like that 1, comma 1. Again on y-axis means x coordinate will be 0 and y positive direction means 0, comma 5. Like that you should find and learn. So the answer is P 1, comma 1, B 0, comma 5, A 5, comma 0, Q -2, comma 1, and C -7, comma 0, R -5, -2, D 0, comma -3, and S 5, comma -5. Plot the following points and write the name of the figure obtained by joining them in order. P -3, comma 2, Q -7, comma -3, R 6, comma -3, and S Q -7, comma -3, R 6, comma -3, and S 2, comma 2. So for plot the point means it is a plane graph for you. So what is the first step? We have to complete x-axis as well as y-axis. So we have completed x-axis and y-axis. Name them correctly. Here x, x dash, here y, and y dash. Now 1 centimeter first origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Similarly here also 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all positive. -1, -2, 3, -4, -5, -6. Now first point is -3, comma 2. So -3 along the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis. So P I will mark here. Now similarly Q. Q what is the coordinate? -7, -3. So -7 is on the x-axis. So see the moment is -7. Now downward direction 3. 1, 2, 3. So Q means -7, comma -3. Similarly, you have to complete R and S. We have already marked PQRS points on the graph sheet. Now we have to join them. So we are joining them. Okay, right? So we have got a PQRS. Now what is the figure obtained? That is the question asked here. So you can see that one pair of opposite side is parallel here, which is that one, PS parallel to QR. So what is the name of the diagram here? It is a trapezium. Okay, so what is the name of the figure we got? The name of the figure is trapezium PQRS. A point lies on positive direction of x-axis at a distance of 7 units from the y-axis. What are its coordinates? And what will be the coordinate if it lies on negative direction of y-axis at a distance of 7 units from x-axis? So what is the first part of the question? A point lies on the positive direction of x-axis at a distance of 7 units from the y-axis. So first we have to draw the plot lines only. So we are drawing the x dash, y dash. Have you seen? So 1 unit, 1 2 3 4 all positive, 6 7, next -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Here also 1 2 3 4 all positive, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and -8. Now I know that you know how to draw the graph. So what is given in the question? It is given that point lies on the positive direction of x-axis at a distance of 7 units. So positive direction of x-axis means OX. Now 7 unit means here 7, right? And it is on x-axis, so there is no movement on the y-axis. So what its coordinate? Its coordinate is 7, 0. This is the first part of the question. The distance is 7 unit from the y-axis, means y-axis on the positive direction of the x-axis. 7 unit distance means it is 7, 0. The second part of the question is that if it lies on negative direction of y-axis, which is the negative direction of the y-axis? O y dash, at a distance of 7 units. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7 from the x-axis. So there is no movement on the x-axis. 0, -7. That is the second question. What is the first question? If it is on the positive direction of the x-axis at a distance of the 7 from y-axis, it is on the negative direction of the y-axis at a distance of 7 from the x-axis. So what are the coordinates? If it is on positive direction on the x-axis, the coordinate is 7, 0. It is in the negative direction of the y-axis, the coordinate is 0, -7. Points A 5, 3, B -2, 3, D 5, -4 are the three vertices of a square ABCD. Plot these points on the graph paper and hence find the coordinate of the vertex C. I repeat the question. Point A 5, 3, B -2, 3, D 5, -4 is the vertices of a square ABCD. Find the third vertex, that is vertex C. We have to find from the graph. Already A, B, D I have already marked here. A is 5, 3, B is -2, 3 and D is 5, -4. It is asked that what is the coordinate of vertex C. So if you compare A and D, it's a square only. See that one. A, the x coordinate is 5 means y coordinate is also sorry, x coordinate is 5 means x coordinate of D is also 5. So what you can say from this one, if B's x coordinate is -2, then C's x coordinate is also equal to -2, right? C's x coordinate is equal to -2. Now you see AB line is taken. So what is the y value or ordinate here? If it is 3 means B is also having 3, right? So what is ordinate here? It is -4. So here also -4. The point is -2, -4. So we can complete the diagram now. So we got the idea of how to find, right? So what we can get here, it is a square. So opposite sides are equal, not only opposite side, all the four sides are equal only. It is a square is given in the question. So how to identify this means, what we have to do, see that one ABD is given. For A and D, that x coordinate is same. Similarly, B and C also x coordinate is same. Now AB, if you take, y value is same, that is 3. So here also C and D, the y value is same. So the coordinate of C is -2, -4. So our answer is C -2, -4. So for finding the square of the fourth vertex of this square, we have to use the properties of the square. All the four sides are equal, and compare the abscissa as well as the ordinate of the respective lines. So our answer is -2, -4. Write the coordinate of the vertices of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 5 and 3 units respectively. One vertex at the origin and the longer side lies on the x-axis, and one of the vertices lies in the third quadrant. So like the given rectangle length is equal to 5. Okay. Breadth is equal to 3 unit. Now one vertex is origin. So origin coordinate, you know that it is 0, 0 only. Now the longer side lies on the x-axis. Longest side lies on the x-axis, but we cannot go for that one. One of the vertices lies on the third quadrant. So third quadrant means it is all negative only. So the longer side lies on the x-axis means it should be in the negative directions. Understood? One of the vertices lies in the third quadrant, it is given. That means all the coordinate, whether it is x or y, both are negative only. So this longer side is also it should be lies on the negative direction of x-axis. Longer side lies on negative direction of x-axis. So that means -5, 0. Now the third quadrant, it is both are negative only. So it is in the third quadrant. What is the coordinate? It should be both are negative, -5, -3. That means length is 5, breadth is 3. Now let us see how to draw the diagram. So the quadrant is on the negative, they told. So this quadrant is definite one. So we will write -5, -3. Right? Now the length is 5 means it should be the negative direction only. Now point is here, we cannot draw there. So this point only, it is -5, 0. Now one coordinate is origin, they told. So 0, 0. Now the three coordinate is done. Now we have to find the next one. How to do that one? See this one here, -5 x coordinate means here is also -5. Now here its y value is same. Similarly here also y value should be same, and here x axis should be same, x coordinate should be same. So when we are saying that -5, -5, this side x coordinate is same, this point also x coordinate is same, that is 0. Now along the horizontal line its y value is same, 0, 0. So it is -3 only. Here also -3. So the point is here. Now I can complete this one diagram. So when you join this one, our diagram will be like this. So it is a rectangle by question. So 0 0 minus 5 comma 0, again minus 5 comma minus 3, and the fourth point is that fourth vertex is 0 comma minus 3. So while doing this diagram you should compare the abscissa as well as the ordinate. So the coordinate for the last vertex is 0 comma minus 3. Plot the points A 1 comma minus 1 and B 4 comma 5. Draw the line segment joining these points. Then write the coordinate of point on this line segment between A and B, and also extend this line segment and write the coordinate of a point on this line which is lies outside the line segment. So first we have to draw the line segment for A and B and completed that. One point you should identify within the line and one point A, external point A, that is outside the line. So point A is 1 comma minus 1, so here it is, and B is 4 comma 5. So we should write A here and 1 comma minus 1, B that is 4 comma 5. Now we have to join the line. They are told to draw the line only, so we will complete the line like this, and we should identify a point which is within the line AB and which is outside the line AB. So we will extend the line like this, and he got now one point from this. So any point we can take. So the 4 and 5 means here, and 1 and 1. So I will take the point 3 comma 3. It is between A and B only. So the point is, the first point is 3 comma 3, that is within AB. Right. Now one external point, it is to be visible, so I'll make it a little more darker. Now outside the point we can take, means after this also we can take, that is, see which point it is, 5 comma 7, right? Outside the AB, that is external 5 comma 7, and one more point from this side if I want, means this also I can take. So because up to this only line is there, 1 comma minus 1, so it is 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 3. So within AB 3 comma 3, outside the AB either this side or below the line, means here also negative side also we can take 5 comma 7 or 0 comma minus 3. You should put it in open bracket only, don't put in a square bracket, because two answer is there. I have made it in a square box. That doesn't mean that you can change the open bracket to square box, square bracket and all. Just you have to put it open bracket, and the coordinate should be separated by commas only, because it's an ordered pair. So this is the final question, last question. Today I am winding up the class, and the coordinate geometry question chapter is over. Next class, new chapter we can study. So thank you.